In this video, we're going to take a detailed look at how you can use Loom Video Recorder on your laptop or PC step by step, even if you've never recorded professional videos before. Loom is one of the easiest and most powerful tools available for creating videos, whether it's tutorials, walkthroughs, product demos, or quick updates for your team or clients. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for beginners, while also offering advanced features for those who want more control over their recordings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how Loom works and how to use it effectively for personal projects, business purposes, or educational content. One of the main advantages of using Loom is convenience. Instead of relying on complicated video software or juggling multiple recording tools, Loom lets you record your screen, camera, or both at the same time, all in one platform. You can capture tutorials, walkthroughs, or presentations quickly, share them instantly, and even collaborate with teammates without the need for lengthy file transfers. This makes it ideal for freelancers, educators, business owners, and content creators who want to communicate ideas clearly and efficiently. Another benefit is flexibility and organization. Loom allows you to manage all your recordings in one place, organize recordings into workspaces, and even invite team members to collaborate. You can assign roles like admin or creator, giving your team control over recordings and access to shared content while maintaining a streamlined and professional workflow. This ensures that everyone stays on the same page and that your video content is organized and easy to manage. Mobility is another strong advantage of Loom. Since Loom is available via both desktop and Chrome extension, you can record from virtually anywhere. Whether you're presenting a product demo at the office, creating an educational tutorial from home, or recording a quick update on the go, Loom gives you the freedom to capture content in the way that works best for you. You can also integrate your Google or Outlook calendar to automatically manage and record meetings, which further simplifies your workflow. Beyond convenience and flexibility, using Loom can also enhance your professional image. Videos allow you to communicate clearly, demonstrate processes visually, and engage your audience in ways that text or static presentations cannot. Clients, colleagues, or students will appreciate the clarity and effort of well-recorded content, making your communications more effective and professional. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything from signing up for Loom, setting up your workspace, choosing recording options, integrating with calendars, installing the Chrome extension or desktop app, and understanding pricing plans. You'll also learn how to manage your recordings, invite teammates, and make the most of Loom's tools to boost productivity and collaboration. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to use Loom to create high-quality videos effortlessly, making your communication and project delivery more effective than ever. To get started, the first step is to visit Loom.com, where you'll see the official Loom logo and the option to sign up. Loom provides an easy sign-up process that lets you create an account using your Google account or any other email address. Once you choose your preferred method, follow the prompts to set up your account. During setup, Loom will ask a few questions to tailor the interface to your needs, such as whether you're using Loom for work, education, or personal projects, and what your role is in your workspace. This helps Loom provide a more personalized experience and ensures that the tools you need are readily accessible. After creating your account, you can set up your workspace, which is where all your recordings and collaborations will be managed. You can even invite teammates and assign roles such as admin or creator. Admins have full control over the workspace, while creators have limited recording options. This flexibility makes Loom ideal not just for individual use, but also for teams who want to collaborate efficiently and maintain organized video content. Next, you'll want to connect your Google or Outlook calendar, which allows Loom to sync meeting schedules and streamline recording for live sessions. This integration makes it easy to automatically record meetings, track appointments, and stay organized without manual intervention. Once your calendar is connected, you'll have the option to choose whether to use Loom's desktop app or Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is lightweight,
easy to install and allows you to start recording directly from your browser, while the desktop app provides a more robust experience with additional features. One of the most useful aspects of Loom is its recording interface. You can choose to record your entire screen, a specific application window, or just your webcam. This makes it perfect for creating clear, professional-looking tutorials or presentations. Loom also provides tools for inviting teammates to collaborate, sharing recordings instantly, and managing your video library. Everything is designed to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Loom also offers flexible pricing plans, which are worth considering depending on your needs. The free plan provides essential recording tools, while the paid plans unlock advanced features such as unlimited recording length, additional storage, and enhanced collaboration options. Annual plans usually offer a cost-saving advantage over monthly subscriptions, making them ideal for long-term use. Choosing the right plan depends on how often you plan to use Loom and the level of functionality you require. Finally, one of the most powerful benefits of using Loom is how it enhances communication and collaboration. By recording videos instead of relying solely on text or emails, you can convey your ideas more clearly, demonstrate processes visually, and save time that would otherwise be spent explaining concepts repeatedly. Whether you're teaching, managing a team, or providing updates to clients, Loom helps make communication faster, clearer, and more professional. So, to summarize, Loom is a versatile video recording platform that perfectly balances simplicity with powerful features. It allows you to create professional quality recordings for work, education, or personal projects, whether it's tutorials, walkthroughs, product demos, or quick updates. Beyond recording, Loom helps you manage your videos efficiently, organize content into workspaces, and collaborate seamlessly with teammates, making it ideal for both individual creators and small teams. Finally, while we're talking about recording and sharing videos online, it's also important to think about online security. Whether you're sharing sensitive project updates, client information, or internal team communications, keeping your internet connection secure is crucial. One simple way to do this is by using a service like NordVPN. A VPN encrypts your connection, ensuring that your recordings, emails, and other business data remain safe from hackers, especially when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks. Beyond basic protection, a VPN also helps maintain online privacy, keeping your video content, client communications, and internal messages confidential. This added layer of security gives you peace of mind, letting you focus on creating and sharing videos without worrying about cyber threats, data breaches, or unauthorized access. For anyone serious about professional communication and safeguarding their digital workspace, integrating NordVPN is a smart, proactive step. If you want to secure your online communications and business data, check out NordVPN. The link is in the description.